Okay, so welcome. This is a special $100 discount on our best-selling SEO software called SEO Snapshot, of which you can resell to your own customers and keep 100% of the profits. And so in this video, I wanted to show you exactly the SEO Snapshot application, and then also our rebrand app, or our rebrand apps framework that allows you to easily manage all of your own customers, white label your application, and there's lots of other really cool things. So anyways, what we're looking at right now is the app. So what you do is you just click on add, you create a new report. Okay, so we're going to create a report, and we're just going to choose the URL that we want to analyze. And what it's going to do is it's going to create a SEO audits, and it's going to spit out a report for you. So you just got to put in a few details like your domain and your Facebook URL, and if you have a Twitter profile. These are all optional, and then you can choose how often you want the update, the data to update. So I'm just going to say, for now, I'll just say every 14 days, and it's going to create the report. So it's going to take just about a minute to process the data, because it has to go and grab all sorts of data from lots of different sources. So I'm just going to pause the video for 1 second, and then we'll come back and I'll show you the report. Okay, so we're back, and I'm just going to click on view the report. It's done creating, and as you can see, it pulls back all sorts of data into a really nice, clean report that you can use internally to analyze your site, or even for clients as well. You could sell these reports. You can do, obviously you can sell accounts to your customers so that they can use these for their own clients or their own personal use. But as you can see, it gives you a little screenshot of the site. It gives you a total SEO score based on all the data that it analyzes. It shows you your load time, IP address, if you're using any type of CMS like Joomla or Drupal or WordPress. Then on the left-hand side, you can go and see all sorts of traffic estimations, social networks, your page speed, a mobile analysis, on-page SEO factors, off-page SEO factors, and then other. And so I'll just briefly go through this, and then I'll show you guys the rebrand apps framework. So under traffic estimations, it pulls back your Alexa popularity rank, which countries it's popular in, also your compete data, so what type of traffic you're getting directly from compete. Then it gets into your social networks, so the number of Facebook shares and likes and tweets and Google Plus shares. If it found a Facebook page, and if it has a description, and if it has links, does a Twitter analysis, if you have a Twitter page, the last time that was posted, if you have a link in your description. And then it analyzes your page speed, how fast your site loads, and then it gives you some warnings for certain things that may be taking a long time to load. It shows you if you're doing any type of caching on your site. It shows you server response time, some technical things like CSS, HTML, and JavaScript. And just some suggestions there on optimizing images. Then it goes into mobile. If you are using any type of plugins, any type of redirects, again, compression and caching for mobile settings. Then it goes into just your overall mobile analysis. If there's any flash objects or things that cannot be seen by a mobile device. Then it goes into on-page SEO factors, so it shows you your page title, your description, your keywords, your H tags, your images, if it's missing any alt tags, if there's any iframes, the text to HTML ratio. Then it analyzes all of your content, what keywords you're using between 1 word, 2 word, 3 word, and 4 word keywords, so you can see how frequently a search engine would be seeing them. And then if you're using those keywords in the title and in the description and in the H tags, okay, then there's just kind of like a keyword cloud of all of your keywords combined. And then it also shows no follow versus do follow links, your anchor text for the links, if they're do follow or not, if the www resolves or not, if you have a robots text file, if you have a sitemap. Then it gets into off-page SEO factors, so when the domain was created, your page rank, the number of pages indexed in Google and Bing, your IP address if you're using Google Analytics, if there's a favicon, and if you're listed in any spam directories. So as you can see, guys, this is a pretty complex report, which is perfect for both internal use and for client use, and you can literally do this in a matter of seconds. So you can see, obviously, the app, this was developed from the ground up. This is an application that you can start selling as your own today. Now, you're also going to be getting the Rebrand Apps framework, which is pretty cool. So let me just hop over to it. This is going to be where you can manage all of the apps that you purchase under our Rebrand Apps brand. Okay, so as you can see, I have SEO Snapshot, and then I've also added Project Hub as well, which is another one of our Rebrand apps. And so this is where you can manage all of your own customers. So you can see, you know, the date that they purchased. You can see the status. You can remove access if you want to. You can edit any of their details if for whatever reason you want to. You can export this to a CSV. That's for client management. And then we have an autoresponder integration, which means you can just copy in your raw HTML code for Aweber, GetResponse, MailChimp, Infusionsoft, wherever it may be, map the fields, and whenever someone purchases from you, they're automatically going to get added to your autoresponder. Okay. Then we have white label options, which allows you to change the name and the branding. So it doesn't need to be SEO Snapshot. You can completely rebrand this for your own business or for a new product that you want to create. You can choose what type of price points you want. So if you want this to be a one-off, if you want this to be weekly, monthly, biannually, annually, however you want to charge them for utilizing the application. Okay. Then you have your footer text and your support email address. So those are all of your white label options. Then you have your PayPal integration. So you can go and put in your PayPal email address. You can connect your Stripe account, and you can start processing credit cards and PayPal so people can purchase from you. Okay. Then we have transactional emails, which means the emails that get sent when someone purchases from you. So you can control what the welcome email says, and you can choose, we have lots of different transactional email services that you can use to send out the emails, and you can choose your from name and email address. And then we have lots of different short codes as well if you want to customize the welcome email that gets sent out. Now, we also have created some done-for-you training materials that you don't even need to worry about. So when a client buys from you or a customer buys from you, they want to obviously understand how to use the application. So we've given you some getting started tutorials so that are completely generic. So it doesn't say a name. Okay, so you can utilize these if you want to. Okay, so you can enable it or you can disable it, and you can upload your own videos. Okay, and you can just put in the YouTube URL, and those will show up inside of the application. Okay, that allows them to, access the training for that application. Now you can also go under My Apps, and you can see it's very, very simple to add more applications inside of Rebrand Apps. All you need to do is just unlock the app, you purchase it, and then you unlock the files. You also are going to get the sales page as well. So if I click on download sales page, you get a done for you sales page that is ready to go that you can just upload to your own server and start selling immediately. So let me just go ahead and show you. This is a professionally designed sales page by our in-house designers, and I'll just go ahead and open that up. And as you can see, it has all professionally written copy and design, and you just need to put in your add to cart link and whatever price you want to sell it for. So you can really have a kind of turnkey done for you product ready to go that you can start selling in literally a matter of minutes. So we've tried to remove all of the kind of barriers that come along with creating and selling software. We want to make it super, super easy. And that's exactly what we're doing for you guys today. So this is a limited time a deal for you where you're going to get an instant $100 discount on SEO Snapshot. So this is a time sensitive offer, so you need to act right now or you're going to miss out on this special deal. So we look forward to seeing you guys inside the members area, and we'll talk to you soon.